Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the Deloitte previous year interview experience. Okay, so guys, in this video, I will be discussing the technical questions. I will be discussing the HR questions. The main aim of this video is to get you a fair idea that what type of questions can be asked in the Deloitte interview. Okay, so guys, the interview will start in 1 or 2 days. The students have started getting the interview mails, slot mails. So be prepared for your slot mails. Okay, you will surely get within 1 or 2 days. So here is the video wherein you can get an actual idea that what type of questions have been asked previously in Deloitte. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, I would like you to tell that I have a Deloitte hiring for 2023 playlist proper, wherein I have recently only made a video that how to prepare for Deloitte interview. Okay, so if you are 2023 batch students whose interviews are about to start, so do watch this video. This will give you a very good insight wherein I have told you that what subjects are important, and inside those subjects what are the particular questions which are very important. So please make sure that you're watching this video. I will give you that video link in the I button as well as in the description box. Make sure to watch that video before moving ahead. Okay, and guys, again I'm telling you that if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe it, because lot of videos I will be making in future about the interview experiences that will be starting. Okay, so do not skip any of those updates. Make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel, and do join our Telegram groups. That all the links are given in the description box. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button.
Okay, so guys, in last video also I have told you about the next level app by an academy. It is India's gaming based hiring platform. On this app you can play coding competitions among your friends or random app users, and based on the competitions you will be given a rating, and based on the rating you can unlock multiple job opportunities that are present on this next level app. So guys, download the app as soon as possible, because the sooner you will download the app, the early you will be in the wait list. Okay, the early you are in the wait list, the early you will get a chance to play coding competitions. There is one more way to reduce the wait list, is by referring your friends through your invite code. I have shared my invite code in the description box. Do use that invite code while you are registering yourself on this app. And guys, earlier competition were happening only for 2 hours, that is from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. But now the time has increased, and now you can play the competitions at any time between 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Earlier the app was only available for the Android users, but now it is available for the iOS users also. So both the links are given in the description box. Make sure to download the app as soon as possible, and do use my invite code so that your waiting time can be reduced.
Okay, so guys, first of all, we will be discussing the technical questions, and then moving ahead, we will be discussing the HR questions. Okay, so let's just start with the technical question. The first question that was asked was explain the OOPS concept. And guys, believe me, I have made a lot of interview experiences for different companies, and this is one of the questions which is asked in every interview, irrespective of the fact in which company you are giving the interview. So the main pillars of OOPS are abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. Okay, and if you want to know that how you should explain these pillars of OOPS in the interview, I have made a dedicated video on my channel wherein I have given the real life example of each and every concept, plus I have given the coding example also of each and every concept. The link you will find in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to watch it because it is a very important question as per your interview is concerned. Okay. Okay, now move to the next question. Write the pseudo code for multiple inheritance. Okay, so pseudo code, first of all, you should know what is multiple inheritance. What is multiple inheritance? In this particular inheritance, there are two parent classes and there is single child class which is deriving from both the parent classes. So this is what multiple inheritance means. Okay, so again, this is a simple concept, but you should know it. Okay, now move on to the next question. Next question is multiple inheritance possible in Java? If possible, how to do it? So guys, this is again a very commonly asked question in the interview. Is multiple inheritance possible in Java? So many of you will say no, it is not possible. But the answer is yes, it is possible, but using interfaces only. If you are using classes, then multiple inheritance in Java is not possible. But using interfaces, the multiple inheritance is in Java is possible. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Next question is explain polymorphism in detail. So again, guys, again it is one of the pillars of OOPS. I have explained in detail about these concepts in a separate video as I told you earlier. So do watch that video. Okay, so just let me just give you a detail about polymorphism. So there are two different types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. And compile time polymorphism is also divided into two parts: what is function overloading and operator overloading. It means that using function overloading and operator overloading we can achieve compile time polymorphism, and using virtual functions we can achieve runtime polymorphism. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Again, in detail I have explained in that video. Okay, do watch that. Next question is, explain the difference between method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so first of all you should know the definition of what is method overloading and what is method overriding. Okay, so method overloading is used to increase the readability of the program. Okay, method overloading is performed within a class only. In case of method overloading, parameter must be different. Method overloading is the example of compile time polymorphism, as I told you earlier. In Java, method overloading can't be performed by changing return type of the method only. So let me just summarize you what is method overloading. So see, if in a class, let me just write it. Uh, okay, it's a little font size is little small. So if in a class you have two functions like def help. Okay, these are two functions. One is def help and next one is def help again, but now the parameters are different int a. So this is known as function overloading, wherein you have two different functions, okay, with the same name. Now how they are different? They are different using their arguments. In this there are no arguments, but in this particular thing there is one argument present. Okay, this is known as method overloading, wherein in one particular class only there are two or more methods with same name but different parameters. So this is what method overloading looks like. Now let's just see what does method overriding look like. So one is class, let's just say class animal we are taking, and we are uh, taking the, let's just say we are defining a function called name, or let's just say what is different. Okay, let's just say color. So color is the method that is defined in the animal class. Now what will happen, now if we form another class dog, that is also animal, that will extend class dog or class animal. Now in this particular class we again define a method name as def color. So this is what method overriding looks like. So in this we have to note that for method overriding, two different classes are used, and the name of the function should be same, and the number of arguments and the type of arguments must be same. So I hope now the difference between method overloading and method overriding is clear to you. I hope I have made myself clear. So let's just move towards the next question. Next question is, write the SQL query for finding distinct element in a column. So it is again a very simple query if you know basics of SQL only. So it will be select distinct. Distinct is the keyword used here. A column name for which we have to find the distinct values from table name. So this is a simple query that you can run to find the distinct elements in a particular column. Okay. Now moving ahead, what are the different types of joins in SQL? Explain them with some examples. Okay, so let me just name the different type of joins. One is inner join, next is full join, then is left join, then is right join. Okay, so I hope now see these images are self-explanatory. What does these joins represent? So green area is the answer that they will return. So here in inner join, if two tables are getting joined, so only the common portion will be getting we will be getting as an output. In left join, the common portion plus the left table we will be getting as output. In right join, the right table plus the common portion we will be getting as output. Okay, and in the full join we will be getting all the output 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I hope now this SQL join is clear to you. Now moving towards the last question of the technical part, that is what is the difference between Java and C++. Okay, so again it's a very commonly asked question. C++ is a platform dependent language, whereas Java is a platform independent language. Okay, it is a very important point. Okay, C++ is mainly used for system programming. Java is mainly used for application programming. Okay, next thing is C++ supports multiple inheritance. This is a very good difference, that C++ supports multiple inheritance, whereas Java doesn't support multiple inheritance through classes. Again, through interfaces it supports, but through classes it does not support. Okay, so 2 to 3 differences will be fine in the interview. So I hope now this question is also clear to you. Now we have discussed all the technical questions. Now let me just quickly tell you the HR questions that can be asked from you, not only in Deloitte, but in different companies which can be asked from you. The questions are like, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Why should we hire you? Okay, tell me about yourself. It's a very important question as our interview is concerned. Next thing is like uh, tell me some of the news that you have heard about that company in which you are interviewing. For example, you are interviewing Deloitte, so tell me some latest news about Deloitte. So these are some of the questions that can come your way in the HR round. Okay, so be prepared for those questions. So I hope now I have made myself clear. What are the technical questions asked? What are the HR questions that can be asked from you? Okay, and let me remind you that these are the previous year interview experiences. Okay, not the current interview experiences, but the previous year interview experiences. As soon as the current interview starts, I will start posting the current interview experiences on my channel. For that, you will have to like this video and for also subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest notifications whenever I upload a video. And guys, do download the next level app wherein you can play wherein you can do the coding competitions. And by playing coding competitions, uh, you can simply unlock the job opportunities and apply through them. Okay, it is the best way of getting the job off campus. Okay, I hope I made myself clear. All the links you will find in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.